Hey, it's Matt from Miller's Auto Recycling. Today we have a 2017 Lincoln Mkx, stock number 263036, and this vehicle has been involved in a rear end collision. This vehicle comes with the 3.7 liter engine that's naturally aspirated, hasn't been hit in the front, it seems to be running fine. This vehicle comes equipped with beige leather seats that have electronic seat adjustments. And this engine has 119,259 kilometers. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to contact Miller's Auto Recycling for pricing and availability. Thanks for watching.